So I just made a quick video because I haven't made a video in quite some time. Now look at this awesome Ford Ute FPV body. It's got fucking actual lights in it. Pursuit Ford. It's got actual front lights in it. Pretty sweet. I'm gonna put that on top of that. Like that. But anyway, I got this set of tools, right? It was $100. These Oz RC. It comes in this bag here. There they are there. And I thought, fuck that. I'll get rid of that. And look what you can do with a 3D printer. Nev's RC Tools. I just got 2 square blocks, put them together on Thinkercad, that's it, on thinkercad.com. You just go to your browser, type in www.thinkercad.com, and you can draw shit so easy. And then I just put a bunch of holes in there. It's got a little bit of slack. Let's see. These are like 18 mil. I made them 19. See? Fits in there alright, doesn't it? Fits in there perfectly, like it was bloody made for it. Like it came in the box. See that? I got one extra for another tool that I was thinking I was going to put in there. But you see what you can do? How nice is that? So I'm working on an RC car over here. Dun, dun, dun. Oh wait, hang on, I need something. What do I need? I need yep, I need that. Yep, there we go. Put that back. You see? That's what you can do with a 3D printer. Make anything.